Foggy headlights form due to oxidation, UV exposure, dirt buildup, and moisture trapped inside the lens. By using effective methods and tips, you can restore their clarity and improve both your visibility and safety on the road. Vinegar is an effective natural cleaner that helps remove dirt, grime, and oxidation from headlights, restoring their clarity. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and some vinegar, then mix them well to form a smooth, consistent paste. Next, take a clean microfiber cloth, dip it in the paste, and gently scrub the headlights thoroughly. Rub the headlights in small circular motions for a few minutes. Afterward, spray some glass cleaner onto the headlights and wipe off the surface carefully with a fresh microfiber cloth. By using this simple method, you will easily clean foggy headlights in just a few minutes. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives that help remove oxidation and restore the clarity of foggy headlights. Take some toothpaste and apply it generously over the headlights. Then, rub the toothpaste all over the headlights, covering the entire surface. Next, take a soft toothbrush and gently scrub over the surface for a few minutes, focusing on the foggy areas. Afterward, take a spray bottle filled with warm water and spray it over the surface. Wipe the surface with a clean paper towel to remove the paste. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times to wash the headlights completely. By using this effective method, you will easily clean your foggy car headlights. A multi-use spray effectively removes oxidation, dirt, and grime from headlights, restoring their clarity. WD-40 drives out moisture and quickly dries out foggy headlights, helping to restore clarity. It also protects the headlight surface from further oxidation and rust. Take WD-40, shake it well, and apply it to a paper towel. Then, rub it over the headlight's surface in a circular motion. With this product, you will get amazing results. Plastic cleaner effectively removes dirt, grime, and oxidation from headlights, restoring their shine and clarity. Megiar's plastic cleaner restores plastic surfaces by removing scratches and improving long-term wear, leaving behind water-resistant polymers. Its versatile formula works on headlights and all plastic surfaces. It effectively polishes and protects damaged areas. A headlight restoration kit removes oxidation and yellowing, restoring headlights to their original clarity and brightness. Cerakote's ceramic headlight restoration kit provides a long-lasting UV protection coating that bonds to your headlights without the need for power tools. With just 3 easy steps, it restores and protects your headlights for as long as you own your vehicle. With a simple and effective method, you will easily restore your headlights to their clear condition and improve safety while driving.